Hi, I am Kirti, an HMS developer from HUAWEI India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. HMS Core offers a rich array of open devices and cloud capabilities. It facilitates efficient development, fast growth, and flexible monetization. This enables global developers to pursue groundbreaking innovation, deliver next-level user experiences, make premium content and services broadly accessible. In this video series, we are going to develop a secure, convenient, and fast sign-in application based on HMS Core. In this application, we will use Account Kit, Safety Detect Kit, and FIDO Kit biometric authentication to develop a fast, secure, and convenient sign-in functionality for the application. Today, I am going to explain about HUAWEI Account Kit, Safety Detect Kit, and show you the integration steps to develop Account Safety FIDO application. Account Kit provides you with simple, secure, quick sign-in and authorization functionality. Instead of entering accounts, passwords, and waiting for authentication, users can just tap the Sign In with HUAWEI ID button to quickly and securely sign into app with their HUAWEI IDs. It serves more than 190 countries and regions and supports more than 70 languages. For fake user detection, we are using Safety Detect Kit in this application. Safety Detect offers a range of different APIs to perform security checks. It provides sys integrity check, apps check, URL check, user detect check, and Wi-Fi detect check. In this application, we will use user detect check. The user detect API can help your app avoid such behaviors as batch registrations, credential stuffing attacks, promotional bonus hunting, and content crawling. Now, let's start coding. Open HUAWEI developer website. Go to console. App Gallery Connect. Open My Apps. Click on New App. Enter the relevant information. Select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Open My Projects, click OK, select Manually enter the package name. Enter the package name and save. Set the default data processing location. Open Manage APIs. Enable the Account Kit, Safety Detect, and FIDO services. Add SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Download ajconnectservices.json file. Open Android Studio. Add ajconnectservices.json file under the app directory. Verify the package name. Open project level build.gradle file. Add HUAWEI Maven repository and class path. Open application level build.gradle file. Add AgConnect plugin and Account Kit and Safety Detect Kit dependencies. Open Login Act class file in onCreate. Call onInitView method to initialize the view. Call onInitialize method, initSafetyDetect method and create a Safety Detect client object. Call initUserDetect method to initialize fake user detection. Click on Login HUAWEI account button. Call onSafetyCheck method, obtain the app ID. Call user detection method by passing app ID as parameter. In onSuccess callback listener, call onLogin selected method. If type is 1, do the login through Account Kit. Create an AccountAuth params object and pass to AccountAuth manager.getService method. Call start activity for result method and pass sign in intent. In onActivityResult, obtain the auth account task object through the intent. If login is success, obtain the auth account object and pass to on HUAWEI login success method. Obtain the user information from auth account object and set into user bean class. Call start activity method and finish the current activity. Now the coding is completed. Let's try it out. To do that, open this Account Safety FIDO application. Tap on Login with HUAWEI button. A dialog box is displayed for fake user detection. Tap on displayed icons in image and tap OK. User is successfully logged in through Account Kit. Details are displayed and there you go. You have now integrated Account Kit and Safety Detect functionalities into your application. Well, that's all for today's video. In the upcoming video in this series, I will take you through the integration of FIDO Kit to complete the application. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below or visit HUAWEI developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.